Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. My name is Jepjoy Mutai. In this video, I'll share with you how to negotiate for a good pay on freelance contracts. Stay tuned. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com. If you want to get well paid for offering freelance contract services, then you need to be a good negotiator. When negotiating for a contract, it's good to have a long-term perspective in mind. In this video, I'll share with you my freelance contract negotiation approach. This formula has helped me to steadily raise my hourly rate from $20 to $125. It is important to note that the hourly rate above is determined by many factors. Key among them is value, competition, communication, reliability, and guaranteed satisfaction. So how can one confidently negotiate for a contract and win? Step 1. Set your basic rate first. This is the starting point for new freelancers. For me, it was $20 an hour. If the client requested me to give them a fixed rate, then it was $20 per minute of video. When you are clear on the rates that you charge, then the client will show more interest in working with you. From here, the client will start asking you questions like, what does your cost cover? Base your answer on the client's original requirement. For example, video editing. You may then start by saying it will cover video editing and 3 rounds of revisions. If you notice that the client is happy to pay $20 an hour for video editing, think of charging them for any other requests they make on top of video editing. For example, adding background music. To begin, ask them if they are able to supply background music of their choice. Always have in hand a place to refer them to get the music in case they don't know. Once you are able to convince a few clients that your rates are purely for video editing, then now you are ready to move on to the next step. Step number 2, introduce a new item to top up on your original offer. If you are asked to break down your cost, will you be able to do so? That is the importance of pricing each item in a project. For example, in video production, you need many components in order to put together a video. Among the components is the source video to be edited, script, voiceover, background music, and animated graphics. Price each item in the list. From there, you can have different prices with different combinations, e.g., video editing $20 a minute, scripting and video editing $35 a minute. You see the trick? That is how to negotiate. Additional components doesn't have to be done by you. You can hire a scriptwriter and negotiate a rate per number of words. For example, $3 for 100 words. Step number 3, target clients willing to pay per hour. Practically, you will make more money when you get paid on an hourly basis than when you are paid on a fixed price. This is because you will be paid for the time spent working on a given project. For example, if a client wants a 1-minute video edited, they'll pay you $20 fixed. If they pay you on a hourly rate, then you can negotiate. In this case, it will be unrealistic to tell a client that it will take 1 hour to edit a video unless it's just cutting unwanted section. So it will make sense to propose 3 to 5 hours and see how the client reacts. In many occasions, the client will offer to pay you for 5 hours max. This means that you will be paid 5 times the fixed amount. Step number 4, listen to clients' feedback and use it for profits. In video production, before you work with some clients, they'll ask if you provide scripting, animation, and voiceover if needed in the video. Such clients are good and love to get the whole package from one producer. It's okay if you don't provide, but ask yourself, can I find someone to do this and make profit out of it? You don't have to do everything yourself. You can find other skilled freelancers to help you out. When you find one, add a profit margin on their charges when giving a quote to your client. Step number 5, review your rates every 3 months. Deliver quality work and get stunning 5-star reviews. From there, review your hourly rate. You can increase it by $5 every 3 months. In a year, your rates will have doubled. Base your rates on your expertise and experience. Step number 6, capitalize on timelines. Some clients are willing to pay more for fast delivery and guaranteed satisfaction. When setting your rates, let the client know how long they'll wait for the video to be delivered. For example, 20 a minute, 2 days delivery. And that is it from me. How do you negotiate for a good pay? Do you have a long-term formula that is applicable? Let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, bye-bye and take care. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubstudio.com.